Hey everybody, Ellie here with Stay Cool HVAC, your licensed local HVAC contractor. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. In this video, we'll discuss the 1010 labor warranty. What does it really mean? Have you ever heard of it? Probably have. You've probably heard about this before. This includes a 10-year labor warranty, but what does that actually cover? And what is a labor warranty? A labor warranty guarantees the quality of the installation work, not the product itself. That means if something goes wrong because of how it was done, how it was installed, the installer promises to come back and fix it at no extra cost for up to 10 years. What's covered and what's not? Here's what a 10-year labor warranty usually covers: improper installation, faulty workmanship, or mistakes made during the job, the installation. Here is what it does not cover: product defects. The manufacturer warranty will take care of that. It also doesn't include things like storm damage, normal wear and tear, or accidental damage by others. Here's why the length of the warranty matters. See, a 10-year labor warranty gives you the peace of mind for a full decade. That's a long time and a long-term promise from your installer standing behind their work, which could save you hundreds or even thousands in repairs if issues come up later. But as always, read the fine print. Just be sure to read everything carefully. Some 10-year labor warranties may have conditions like requiring regular inspections or only applying to the original homeowner. Here's my final takeaway. In short, a 10-year labor warranty is a sign of confidence from your installer. Just know what's included, what's not, and make sure you get it all in writing. Got more questions about warranties or AC upgrades? Hit that subscribe button for more tips and home improvement know-how. My name is Ellie, and we'll see you next time.